Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change thumbnail on YouTube mobile. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube and click on your channel icon on the top right. Here you need to click on YouTube Studio and it will be redirect into your YouTube Studio. Then you simply need to select a video. So I'm going to select a video. Then you need to click on this pencil icon. Here you can see a pencil icon again, and here you can see you can select different frames, and if you want to change you simply need to click on change and select any random image. So I'm going to select this image and click on done on the top right. So this is the process by which you can change your YouTube thumbnail on mobile. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.